friends, welcome to this video. Today we will learn a very important part of our study, that is the human heart. First we will learn the structure of the human heart. The human heart is like our fist and it is about 12 centimeter long. It's approximately, and the weight of the heart is 0.40% to 0.45% of the full body weight. In males, it is 280 grams to 340 grams, and in females it is 230 grams to 280 grams. Let's learn about its internal structure. It has 4 chambers in it. The upper ones are called atrium and the lower ones are called ventricles. There is left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, now let's learn about the veins present in the heart. Okay, it is the pulmonary veins which carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Here is pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Here is aorta which carry oxygenated blood to the whole part of the body, Here is vena cava from the upper side. It carries the deoxygenated blood from the upper side. And here is vena cava that carry the deoxygenated blood from the lower side. Now let's learn the flow of blood. Firstly, oxygenated blood, lungs. Then it comes to the pulmonary vein. Then it comes to the left atria, it is here. And then it comes to the left ventricle, it is here. And then it goes to the aorta, that is shown here. And then it goes to the various body parts. Now deoxygenated blood. It comes from the vena cava, from the upper side also and from the lower side also. Then it goes to the right arteries here. Then it goes to the right ventricle, that is here. And then it goes to the pulmonary artery, that is shown here. And then it goes to the lungs. From lungs, it again is oxygenated and goes in the pulmonary vein, and this cycle continues. Now, contraction and relaxation. What is contraction and relaxation? Let's learn about it. Now, first, when the artery is in relaxation, the blood, the oxygenated blood comes from the pulmonary veins in left arteria. And when it contracts, it goes in the left ventricle. And from there, it goes to the aorta. Here is a substance present called valves. What is the work of the valve? Let's learn it. The work of the valve is to prevent the flow of the blood from the left ventricle to go back in the left atrium. It prevents it so that it goes in the aorta and then it goes in the various parts of the body. Let's learn about it in the right side. When the vena cava from upper side and lower side put the blood in right atrium, it is in relaxation. When it contracts, the blood goes in the right ventricle. As same, the walls prevent it to go back, and then it goes into the pulmonary arteries. And pulmonary arteries give them to the lungs. It gave them to the lungs. Okay. So from here we have learned the flow of blood and contraction and relaxation. Let's go to the blood vessels. Okay. First is arteries. There are mainly 2 types of blood vessels, that are arteries and veins. Okay, let's learn about it. They carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the various organs of the body. And veins carry deoxygenated blood from the different organs and bring back to the heart. The work of the arteries is to carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to the various parts of the body. And the work of vein is to collect deoxygenated blood and get back into the heart. Now, in arteries, the wall is thick, but in veins, the wall is thin. And in arteries, the wall is absent, and in veins, the wall is present. Now, there are mainly 2 types of wall, that is bicuspid wall and tricuspid wall. Tricuspid wall is present in the right part of the heart, and bicuspid wall is present in the left part of the heart. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment the video.